Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the case and earbuds have juice and the Sony Headphones Connect app is installed. This app simplifies settings and firmware updates. Once done, open your Android Bluetooth settings and keep the phone unlocked so prompts appear immediately. Then open the WF-1000XM4 case near the phone. The earbuds will attempt initial connection. If they don't show up automatically, proceed to force pairing mode. This prepares the earbuds to be discovered and avoids accidental connections with other devices. You now put the earbuds into pairing mode so Android can find them. With the case open, press and hold both earbud touch sensors for about 7 seconds until the LED blinks white or blue. This signals pairing mode. Next, on your phone's Bluetooth list, tap WF-1000XM4. If the name differs, look for similar Sony model labels. Once selected, Android will pair and may show a confirmation. Accept any permission requests, so profiles like call audio and media are enabled for full functionality. You finish by opening the Sony Headphones Connect app to complete setup. Enable features like adaptive noise canceling and check for firmware updates that improve stability. If pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is off on other nearby devices. Forget the WF-1000XM4 entry in Android settings, then retry from the start. As one troubleshooting tip, perform a hard reset by placing earbuds in the case and holding the touch sensors for about 15 seconds to clear pairing data. Then put them back into pairing mode and reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.